This, folks, is the new upcoming Mazda 6. That's right. The Mazda 6 is going to be revived for 2026. However, this time it will be powered by an electric motor that either makes 241 or 251 horsepower to the rear wheels. This sub-$20,000 car is Mazda's answer to the Model 3, so let's see if visually it will even compete. Apparently, in certain lighting, the silver trimming will make it look like it's sailing in the sea like a luxury boat. That taillight resembles the older Mazda 6 and the RX-8 too. Our all car brands just spelling their names on the back of their cars now. The spoilers go up and down. So cool! Is that alcantara? So premium! Look at that! No physical knobs or buttons in sight. There's even suede on the seats. The attention to detail is crazy. The kids would love being able to see the sky. Of course it is fancy interior lighting. The seats have holes like in a race car. Bart, you better not stick your arm through while I am driving. That is one massive screen, folks. I can't believe this budget-friendly electric car can be so premium and luxurious. Will this rival the Model 3? What do you guys think?